Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to fix Forexcom app not working on your iPhone. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you're not being able to use your Forexcom application on your mobile device, then here are some fixes you could try out. The first thing to do is to make sure that you are connected to a Wi-Fi or a cellular data. Once you're connected, open Settings on your iPhone. From the Settings menu, scroll down and tap General. Tap on iPhone Storage. And now, search for Forexcom application from the app list. Give it a tap and tap on Offload App option. Tap on Offload App one more time in the pop-up below. Once you've done that, reinstall the application by tapping Reinstall App. Wait until your application gets reinstalled, which is a quick process, and after it is reinstalled, you can now go open up your Forexcom application and try logging into your account and see if that fixes the issue. If it still doesn't work, restart your smartphone. Simply press and hold the power switch and slide the power switch towards the right hand side at the top in order to switch off your device. Now, restart your device and open up Forexcom app and see if that fixes the issue. If that still doesn't work, simply uninstall or delete your Forexcom application. From the app drawer, spot Forexcom app and press hold the application. Tap Remove App from the options and in the pop-up, select Delete App. Confirm by tapping on Delete one more time and you'll be able to delete your Forexcom application. Go back to your App Store and tap it open. Download Forexcom application back again, and once you are done with the download, go ahead and open up the app and see if that fixes the issue. Those were some of the easiest and common fixes for whenever your Forexcom application is not loading or not working. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.